People in the office often get on my case simply because, well, no matter how I perpetually act my shoe size instead of my real age, I'm the oldest one in this joint. They don't call me Tito Caco for nothing.
Lolo!
The hell you calling Lolo? Now, I really don't mind. I'm actually cool with it. It just also means that I actually hold the most amount of wisdom. I can't say that with a straight face. So it may not work for me, but AC Motors is betting big on a brand that's been around since 1896. Launched locally in the summer of 2019, Maxus was a British-owned brand up until 2010 when it was acquired by SAIC Motors. Known for its selection of vans and commercial vehicles, just last week, Maxus launched locally the T60. So it's a mid-size pickup that comes in a double cab layout, which made its official debut back in 2016 at the Guangzhou International Motor Show. Now, be it a 4x2 or 4x4, the Philippine spec T60 is equipped with a 2.8-liter turbo diesel that produces 148 horses and 360 Nm of torque. The three triangles comprise the logo of Maxus Philippines, which represents the three pillars upon which the company stands on: technology, confidence, and progress. It is also the first Chinese-made pickup truck that comes with 6 airbags, and that's a good thing, and was able to score a 5-star rating on the Australian New Car Assessment Program. Lucky enough to be at the launch itself, I was standing with a couple of bigwigs from AC Motors, and we came to realize 2 things. Number 1 is that the bed of the T60 is so wide that there are no current available bed boxes that will fit because of the girth of that guy. A good problem that AC Motors is working on with a smile. Number 2 is that had this launched just a few weeks earlier, it would have made it to our list of top 5 cars available on AutoDeal.com.ph for under 1 million Philippine pesos. And on paper, at the very least, could have knocked out one of their own products, the D-Max, simply on its specifications alone. That's a pretty good problem. The one thing that nobody had a problem with was that olive green. Man, what a color. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell for news, updates, and reviews right here on AutoDeal.com.ph. We'll see you again soon.